Hi everyone, it's 2nd of June, so I'm back with my first video. And to all those who didn't see the introduction video, so we are here, the Average in Flag. I'm here with my channel Average in Flag, and we are here to discuss the accounting development, UK GAAP, IFRS, under IFRS, US GAAP, UK GAAP, and definitely trading ideas and strategies that belongs to Nifty and Bank Nifty and being analyzing few accounting concepts related to CA, CFA, and maybe we'll do webinar on it. And then the hot topic that is popping up across the globe, that is ESD, and we have like CSRD, TCFD, SEC rule, ISB, and we will follow the most practical application. Who with the discussion will be always be focused on the practical application of the topic, and so first of so we are here to just analyze the market. What is Nifty Bank Nifty of the Indian market is going to do on 3rd of June and 4th of June after the exit polls are out. So what we are going to discuss is like we will do the VIX level analysis, how Nifty and Bank Nifty chart are performing. We will kind of do a special discussion on exit polls and elections, and we'll combine that discussion with the comparing the result of 2009, and I'll combine this with analyze the comparative figure of VIX level that are currently uh, existing in the market and what they were in 2019, and what could be the most probable market move, and finally we are going to plan our trade and see what we could do as option buyer, futures buyer, or as option seller. Okay, so what we are going to do, I have a fixed template in here. Okay, and this is so let us start. So exit result polls results are out. Since exit poll results are out, let's just see. So this looks like I'll just Google it in front of you. Exit poll. Mm, okay. Okay, there's like NDTV who is saying that BJP-led NDA will have like 350 seats, and let's see other after making a marathon. So okay, okay, there will be a 650 seats mandate by BJP-led NDA, and then we see further. Uh, Exit poll 2024. Okay. Okay, what does oh may cross 400? Oh my god! In looks of elections, predict today. Janaki Axis Bank, my India. Mm, let's just see few more. So particularly, what this website tells us that. Mm, mm, okay, this kind of big victory of ruling BJP-led NDA by Jan Ki Baat, they are predicting like 3692, then News Nation, then Bhaskar, Indian News D Dynamics, and Bharat Republic PMAR. Okay, so everyone is kind of predicting that there would be more than 350 seats, or there will be a clear mandate more than 325, 350 seats for BJP-led NDA. So, okay, that is fine. So, what we are going to discuss is like, okay, exit polls reflect like clear mandate. Now, how we are going to see the information in the market, and how this information we are going to see that how this information in the going to impact the market. But first, let's analyze what happened on 30th June. So if you just see that on 30th of June, we kind of have this structure. I actually marked these lines while this line was pre-market line and this is post-market line, after I was seeing that market is going this, and if you can see that there was a lot of volatility in the market. It went up till here 12 22 646, and then I mean it was opened in here, then it went back in here, then it opened it here. So This is the candle which opened. This is the opening candle in the market, first hour, and then market went here, and then it went again up here. But I know, and I was also, if you see that, I'll just, okay, let me just log in the market, and let's just see what the data shows. But yes, data clearly showed on 30th May that there was a quite resistance at 22,600, and it went back in here, and then it went back in here. So okay, so there was a clear fluctuation. And if we go to bank Nifty, and if we see the Nifty, let's first, one more thing, that Nifty looked up weak on here, that was in 29th of May, and then it weak, but it somehow, I mean, resisted, and it remain in this level. uh, but it might go up there. So anyway, the gap up is gap up, gap, there will be a gap, a clear gap. Whoa. And there would be a clear gap up, and gap up might be like this on here, 22,900. Let's just see what does the how the option chains are structured right now, so we can actually have some sense, some logical sense where this gap up could go. So I use sensible because I'm a zero the user, so I use sensible to analyze these things. uh, if you see the open interest of Nifty, okay, so okay, 23,000, there is a clear resistance, then 22 times, so okay, that is fine. So and if you see that there is a good resistance on 22,800, so okay, it might gap up in here, 22,800 and 23,000. This looks like a good range for a gap up. Okay, so it might gap up in here, so you might see it in here or maybe in here. And if it goes out of this channel, that that would be a very big move. Okay, and let's go to bank Nifty right now. Okay, bank Nifty, we have our hourly chart. Bank started with something like this on Monday, and then it went back down, and then it stayed up. It stayed up strongly. It was strong in here, 29th May. It was strong in here at 30th May. Even I was when I was looking the live market, so there was a bit Nifty and Bank Nifty were performing. If anyone who was following, any one of you, my viewers, who was following the Nifty and Bank Nifty live market, they must have noticed there was these were not flowing in a correlation. Nifty was down, uh, and showing the negative sign. Bank Nifty was up, showing the positive sign. So there was, so that's, I mean, Bank Nifty was, the crux is that Bank Nifty was more positive than Nifty. And if Bank Nifty opens up, let's just see where the Bank Nifty. Okay, there is a clear resistance of 49,000 we see, and then 49 and definitely 50,000. So yes, Bank Nifty could easily open like around here, and might be opening like around here. So Bank Nifty could open like 49,500 and 50,000. Bank Nifty either way, 600, 500, 600 points it could move. I mean gap up. And again, let's so verdict. Okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty looks more strong, and there could be a clear gap up. Okay, gap up because of NDA, clear mandate, news, and exit goal. And then I would not say Nifty looks strong, but I would say that Nifty took a good support Nifty, I will not say stock, is showing would be fine. A support at 22, a support at 22,500 levels. Okay, so this is what we have, and I'll just all touch it. Okay, and okay, mid cap will not analyze today, and then let's see the wix level, how the wix is performing. Oh, let's see, where is wix here. Okay, India wix is at 24, and I kind of, so India wix is like, it shows the volatility that could prevail in the market, and so wix is always a reversion. If it is a 24 or it goes to 30 because of the election event, it will definitely go till here, that is 12, 8, 10, and that is what is shown in the past. Past, it is always a it is always go for a mean reversion. So what we'll do, we'll just see that wix is at 24 at current levels, which is very high. 24 is the India wix level high. High. So if we have a high wix level suggest that the options premium will be very high. It is kind of directly proportional to the option premium, and premium will be high. And so what does the option, if option premium is high, then the opportunities for buyers, for option buyers are less, and there are bit there are possibilities possibilities that opens for option sellers. But definitely there would be a, I mean, there would be a clear up and down move you could see because of the high wicks, correct? And let's just move on to another. Let's just see what wix is showing right now. And so wix is like 24, which is quite high. Now we will analyze how, what it was in 2019. And I'll just so coming on to two. So first, let's see that when did the election results in May 2002. Okay, 2019. And so in May 2019, the elections result were declared on 23rd of May. So let's just see what happened in the wix on 23rd of May. So on 23rd of May, this was 16. So you can see that VIX was already high here till it went up till here till 29.88, and on 22nd May it went up, but when the result, on the result day, it really crashed. So option, all those who were the option buyer, where the market moved up or down, you would relate that what would have happened to their premium, that that would have gone down. So because the wix going down, so wix goes down when see right now there is an uncertainty in the market, and there is although there is an exit poll results are out and there is that shows a clear mandate, but post actual poll result are not out, which shows the uncertainty, which actually condition for a uncertainty in the market. So wix will be high in the, definitely will be high in the Monday. uh, that's what we could would that what's good, that is what we could make a probability, and it will be high on Monday, and then on Tuesday definitely it will crash if there is a certainty in the market. It might open up high, but definitely it will crash. That's what our 2019 data show. And it will go about for for if we start in May, and if you see that, okay, May, June, in almost a month it went down to 10, and then it remain in that area. Correct. So if you, even if you buy, the market shoots up, and you buyers, you you as the option buyer, you did not entered. I mean, you do not enjoy the gap up that market shows, and you entered after those gap ups. There is a clear indication that the option buyer will lose money, and if you do not able to catch up the gap up points. Correct. So definitely this is not the, this is what. So let's see what could be the work data here. So mm, wix high may go, wix may go more, may be more on Monday, and wix may crash on 4th of June. 4th June, correct. Election day. Election day. So if the word it is, if you do not, you are not having a current position in the market, which is definitely, if do not, you, if you are not having a bull side current position in the market, it does not make sense to make fresh position. So I look like to iterate that this view is from trading perspective, and definitely the index option and futures. This is not from the perspective of if someone wants to invest in the market. Definitely, if you want to invest, and we are not doing any analysis on a particular stock in here. We are just seeing what index, what is the overall picture the market is saying, and how it may perform. So okay. And so 3rd June, 3rd June, just please observe, just observe the market and see if option this is what I'll do, option prices really crashes after, see, I'll say that, see how option prices will really go, I mean, will really fluctuate. Let's just write fluctuate after VIX crashes. Okay. Okay. So the clear result is that you don't have to see, you don't have to buy the options. There is a, and on if you are selling the option, there will be a lot of volatility. So selling, I don't know. I have been an option buyer through my, I mean, 2 3 years. So definitely I made losses, but and so that is something on what I comment, that this is not the right time to buy the options. And if you are being an option seller, I don't know, man. There looks like a high VIX, but there will be a lot of ups and downs going to happen in the market on both days. So instead of sailing boat in a sea when there is a huge possibility that whether there will be a storm in the sea and there could be huge waves, instead of going into the sea with your ship at that time, it's make logical sense to remain silent and stay a step back. So here is the verdict, and let's just analyze. Okay, we have analyzed the I was, let's just one more time see how the Nifty actually performed up in the last 2019. Definitely 2019 was followed by COVID. So I can see, yes, the COVID, this is a COVID crash. You can see the COVID crash in here, but we are just trying to see that how did 23rd of May. Okay, you can see that 16. I think this might be the day when the exit polls must be out, or there should be a possibility of clear mandate. So 20th May, 17th May, 20th May, market open gap up. So it went from here to here, and then it went to, and okay, this is 23rd May, and you can see that even after BJP winning the election, the market went up like from 11,616 to like shooted up to 12,048, and this was like a 400 point move. And 401 to, okay, 400 point move was already in here, and then it went from 11,600 to 400. So yes, so this is like this is what could happen. We might see a third on 3rd June, we might see a good gap up, but then that would be that would at most probably this will be like 600 points. We might see a 1200 point from here and might see 24,000, but definitely, and you can see that it went up till, and then it slowly went down till here. So all the market all the points that market gains in 2019 for an election rally, which started, I think, which maybe started in Feb, and it went up here, and then it went up here, and then went up here, was ended in almost I mean, in it was ended in September, correct? Okay, was done in September, and then we did the I mean, this is a long-term point of view. If you want to invest in long-term point of view, definitely the market will be up. You can see it was 12,000 in here, and then and we are sitting at 22,500. But if from the short-term point of view, you can see that in within 3 months, May, June, July, August, September, within three and a half months, we lost the election rally. Okay, I think that is enough uh, for discussion today. So verdict remains same, that if you are not a bull side current position in the market, it does not make sense to make fresh position. 3rd June, please just observe the market and see how option price will really fluctuate after it crashes. Okay, stay tuned. So this is my first video. I would like to know that what other content you want to see. So first video was for the market, and we will doing the post market analysis. I'll try to do the daily, and if I'll see that if we can have a live session trading. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.